guys! After a long time, I came back. Today I was playing video game. Then my friend came and told me to make a video. And here I am. This is a wall of my one-year Rubik's Cube collection. First is my 3x3s. I know it's bad. Next, it's better than the other one. It's my main 3x3 though. Much better. It's my only 2x2. It's not bad. My pyramid cubes. This is called pyramid cube, not the other one. Not bad. Works like a gear. It's so heavy. It has 12 sides. It's not basically a Rubik's Cube. Just something that anyone can play. So, bye-bye.